Okay, Porche Cayenne 2024 and forward. There's not a lot of videos about this. We need to remove the cabin filter, and you have an airbag here, so you don't want to mess with that, but you want to remove these, and it has these screws right here. So let's remove it and learn together. Okay, so I got the panel out. It has two 8mm hexagonal screws, and then it has these three clips that screw in. You have to remove it counterclockwise. Once you remove this, you just need to pop the electrical connectors. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So you have your 8mm screws here, and then you have 1, 2, 3 of these screwable clips that you just grab with your fingers and twist them around. Okay, once you remove this panel, let's go ahead and remove the filter. All right, so here it's the clip right here, and you pop it out and you slide this, and I'll show you once I have it out how that works. Okay, so this is very easy to remove. This is presented like this in the car, and the first clip is this one. Be very careful, just little pressure towards the phone, towards me, and then it has these other little clips, and you can just pull and they start clipping really easy. All right, let's get that cabin filter out. This is the cabin filter, and it's bended. It has this curve. Obviously, I guess they were running out of room. This goes towards the engine, this goes towards the cabin. I'm sure this has some arrows right here for the flow, and that's the cabin filter number. Let's see if the one I bought will do the trick. So this is reverse order, and you have a guide pin and 2 clips, and that's gonna hold it, and then I can put my screws and my plastic screw holders. So analyzing the little clip here, you can fit a screwdriver, a flathead, and makes life easier in your fingers. Wish I had known that. It really busted my finger. All right, guys, that's the easy way. Back together, couple screws, and I'm done.